Very nice day. Let's see. Let me see how many ducks I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 28, 29, 30, 32, 33, 34, 35 plus baby ducks. So 35 plus baby ducks. That's where I count. There's one thing I'm confused. Why is the water so dirty when you look? Look at it. It's so dirty. Just gonna end it here. I'll probably take you home. Yeah. Also, I am looking for voice actors. So please, just send me a sample of an evil voice and an evil laugh. If you do have a drive, then that will be much helpful. Then I can send the script to you and tell you who your character is. Oh God, the car! Oh. Never mind. Oh my God. Screen didn't crack. Oh my God, I'm surprised. Okay. But the phone did take the phone's out of RAM. Did take some damage. So yeah. Wait. Oh, I was so recording. Bye.